What's going on, everyone? I have this Panini Prizm 1-pack, and I really like these cards, so I'm gonna give it an open. I'm gonna try it once at least, see if I like it. So I'm gonna get right into it. Alright, so first card, I have a Joe Palumbo, and next card, Nico Horner, rookie card. It's pretty good. Nice James Paxton for the Yankees. We got Marco Gonzalez, TJ Zuch. I'm gonna save the good cards for last. We got Eduardo Escobar. Ooh, Yordan Alvarez rookie card. I'll put that in a sleeve. We got Francisco Lindor, Brock Burke rookie card, the TJ Zuch. We got a Zach Gallen orange refractor. Oh, DJ LeMahieu, my favorite player. Got his card right there. Right back there. And the machine. It's a nice card. And the last one is Jacob deGrom. Not numbered. None of these cards were numbered, but I am happy with this card. That is nice. So I'm gonna put that right there, and thanks for watching. This was the best card I got in the last video, so this was the best card that I got in the last video, so if you didn't see that, then check it out. And this is a pretty nice pull. I opened up a pack of Topps Jumbo Series 2, and if you want to check that out, then please do, and see you in the next video.